In this quick video, I am going to show you how to see your tweets or posts or videos impression on Twitter. And this method will be same for both iPhone and Android phone. So just open your Twitter app and open the post, video or a tweet. For example, I want to see this post impression and other stuff. So just open this, then scroll down. Then here you can see the option View Tweet Activity. Just click that. That's it. Here you can see your impressions, engagements, new followers, profile visits, detailed expands, everything. So this is how you can see your impressions on Twitter. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.